drill, the 1-minute alarm indicates earthquake or shaking.
Number 2, response. While the alarm is ongoing, everyone should perform duck, cover, and hold on. Remember, remain in this position until the shaking stops.
Phase number 3, evacuation. As soon as the shaking stops, immediately evacuate the school buildings and proceed to identify evacuation areas, using the predetermined route guided by the class, marshal, or teacher.
Number 4, assembly. At the designated evacuation area, students must be grouped together according to the class where they belong.
Phase number 5, head count. Teachers should check and make sure all students are accounted for.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
The last phase is evacuation. The overall coordinator will announce the termination of drill or all clear. An evacuation of the drill must be conducted to identify problems encountered during the drill, and now this can be improved in the future earthquake drill. Hi! Thank you for watching!
Remember, during an earthquake, don't forget to
Duck, cover, and hold. Bye!